Hello everybody and welcome to another video. Thank you for joining in. As you might see, I'm in a little bit of a different kind of environment. I'm actually on holiday with my in-laws. It's a yearly tradition and it's the perfect circumstance to record some of the videos I present on my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to present you with a few unboxing videos. Now, first of all, we are going to start with a small party game named Shushi Go. It's made of White Goblin games. It's the Dutch version, but actually the cards are language independent. So let's have a look at what this game contains. It comes in a tin box, so let's see and remove the foil and check the contents of the game. So, Sushi Go. We have the rules. It's in Dutch, it's a small booklet, not much to read. And then we have these cards. Let's see if I can open them easily. So here we are. So we have the different cards, the different sushi dishes that you will need to gather using the drafting mechanic. And I haven't read the rules yet, but I think I have some kind of understanding what the rules will mean. Is that if you are able to get more of these cards, you will get more points. So the cards are cutely illustrated, which makes this game also very nice to play with kids. They will be attracted to these cute little drawings of the sushi dishes. And because of the light nature of this game and the easy drafting mechanic that comes with it, I think this will be a perfect game to play with children or as a family. So this is what comes in the game Sushi Go. Thank you very much for watching this unboxing video, and as always, may the board be with you and the dice be ever in your favor. Bye bye.